Welcome to biology class. We will continue with chapter The Respiratory System. We have already discussed in our previous video all the organs of respiratory system in detail. These are nose and nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. There are three phases in respiration. Number 1, breathing. Number 2, gaseous transport. And number 3, cellular respiration. Breathing is the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Gaseous transport involves exchange of gases between blood and tissues. And cellular respiration is the process of breakdown of food to release energy. We have already discussed that breathing is carried out by respiratory organs. It involves two steps, inspiration and expiration. Let us now study the mechanism of breathing in detail. It involves inspiration, also known as inhalation, and expiration or exhalation. Inspiration is the process of breathing in air, and expiration is the process of releasing the air from the lungs. Inspiration or inhalation. It is the process of breathing in air. It involves the following process. The muscles which are attached to the ribs on the outer side contract. Due to this, the ribs are pulled out and expand the chest cavity. Diaphragm contracts and move downwards. The muscles attached to the abdomen contract, and the expansion of the chest cavity helps the air to flow into the lungs and fill the expanded alveoli. Expiration or exhalation is the process of releasing the air out from the lungs. In this process, muscles attached to the ribs on the inner side contract. Diaphragm and the abdominal muscles relax and move upward. The volume of the chest cavity decreases, which increases the pressure on the lungs, and the air in the lungs is pushed out and it passes out through the nose. Let us now watch this video for better understanding of the mechanism of breathing.
Breathing movements. Inspiration. The pressure in the lungs is decreased and the air rushes in. The muscles of the diaphragm contract to make it descend. The rib cage moves upwards and outwards. Expiration. The pressure in lungs is increased and the air is pushed out. The diaphragm becomes dome-shaped, relaxes and moves up. Simultaneously, the rib cage moves down and in.
With this, we conclude our chapter, The Respiratory System. In this chapter, we have learnt about respiration and its two processes, respiratory organs, phases in respiration, and the mechanism of breathing in human beings, in which we have discussed inspiration and expiration. Thank you, children, and stay safe.